in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your time manually on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel. And then on the right side, select the date and time. Where it says set the date and time manually, select the change button, and you can input your date and time parameters in here. Select change to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.